Was Radha and Krishna, Shiv and Shakti, or for that matter Adam and Eve, part of the same soul or the same consciousness? They existed on this planet as a masculine and feminine energy, but were they one at the beginning of times? We all have heard the word soulmates, and we all know that it is a connection to our souls. Either we incarnate for a purpose or we come together because of our karmic connections. So how and in what sense the twin flame is so unique? Some say that the twin flames are angelic guides who are always with us and are guiding us in the path of life. But the theory goes back with the origin of life, where everything was in unity and the existence of creation began with the existence of duality. The single soul was so split into the masculine and feminine parts. And so, split by split, thread by thread, branch by branch, the soul started to exist in the masculine and the feminine counterparts. So when on earth, if it so happens that both these threads of the single soul incarnate and they have to gravitate towards each other, they do gravitate towards each other. The journey of the soul is so unique that its union uplifts the consciousness of the planet as a whole. So how on earth can you find that a part of your own soul also exists at the same time? So how on earth can you find out that a part of your soul is the one in the other being? The answer is simple. When you meet them, you just know it. And just an eye contact, you will feel that a message has been sent to their souls. There are no rules, and no rules do they follow. In fact, they are here to break the rules of the so-called human conditioning and establish a system which is based on the grounds of love. Whatever your experience with the other person on this planet may be, the whole idea of your experience is for you to learn and grow and be a better version of your own self.